if you've got one of the new Pro models of iPhone, maybe you've got one that has 3 lenses on it. That's what the camera icon does under the settings. It lets you manually choose between the ultra wide, the wide, and the telecamera, or a zoom, which will automatically switch between them as you move the zoom slider. Of course, the selfie cam is just the rear-facing camera. And there's going to be a version of Filmic Pro, maybe it's already out by the time this course comes out, that lets you record 2 of these cameras to Filmic Pro's library simultaneously, which is going to be a powerful feature. When that comes available, I will be adding it to this course. So the ultra wide, of course. Now you can see more of the studio, the Smart Film School studio. Tele, which by the way is really not tele, it's only like 52 millimeters. Tele starts at about 70, 75 and up. But marketing is as it is, that's a tele. Anyways, it's a different lens here in this array of lenses. And the zoom, of course, may be one that you would like to start with so that you can have a zoom slider over here on the right and be able to control which camera. And you see how it jumped there as it switched lenses? So it's not like a traditional video camera, which has one optical assembly that smoothly moves between the focal lengths. So you're getting intermediate cropping here of each image from the wide camera. It gets cropped in, and then it jumps to the tele. And it looks like actually right now, it's also a little shaky as it moves. So I would say, look, don't probably record zoom moves, but use it to get the framing right for your shots. Most of the time, professional filmmakers will use what's called a prime lens. They will just lock in that focal length, and then they will adjust the camera into the right position for each shot. So once again, these are the things that elevate production qualities, and it's really nice that we can have a simulation of that with Filmic Pro.